Honestly, today I'm a bit upset because of the latest change in the, not latest, but one of the changes that Power BI did. And it's not supporting something that I was expecting is default to be supported. Anyways, I'm gonna show you that. But before, today's topic is about how to create the dynamic titles. For example, here we have this switch table. This is the old table, and it used to work like in this way. Whenever I'm switching between this value and this value, I have also here this title being switched to. How it works, I used to go to, I'm going to this button here. It's format your visual, and I'm going to title. On the general, you go to title. I click on this text, and then I choose the field value, and here I selected title dynamic. I'm gonna show you what has changed that I didn't like about this change. So that title dynamic here used to be like this. So selected value. This is one of the what's called functionalities. One of the commands of the DAX language that I liked a lot when it clearly says that selected value from the switch table. If it's dollar, then it show me sales amount. Otherwise, if it's hash, then show me the order quantity. Now it doesn't work anymore like this with the selected value. It gives you an error because in the new version that I've showed you in the last video, we have this parameter here, which is not used, which doesn't have the characteristics of a column. It's a parameter, so that's why a bit different. Here, instead of writing the DAX command like we used to write before with the select value, I'm gonna choose the max. Max doesn't make sense for me here because selected value was clearly stating that the value that is selected. But now I found as an alternative through looking up in the Microsoft community, and it's very useful, by the way. It's very helpful to visit the Microsoft community. You can also become a super user in the Microsoft community, and you can become the MVP, Microsoft most valuable professional, if you're gonna contribute a lot in the Microsoft community. But today's topic is about that. I will post later about my MVP maybe in the next videos. But still, like, it's if you go and choose for the max with the max and switch parameter, because why switch parameter, I'm gonna show you later. If it's sales, then we have here sales amount. If it's quantity, we have the order quantity. Why we are choosing the parameter here? Because when we go to tables, when we go down here to the switch parameter, we have three columns: parameter, parameter field, which is showing which field is taken, because parameter you are given this name here. You can give whatever name you want. And parameter order, it's showing you what is going to be ordered. If I'm gonna do 1 is this one and 0 is this one, it's gonna be like first sales, then quantity. It used to be quantity and sales, and now, I mean, first quantity, then sales. It's gonna be usually the way around. That's handy. Sometimes you're required to have this or ordinary hierarchy of the variables that you have. So that sometimes comes very useful, very helpful. And yeah, that was about how to create the dynamic titles here. And whenever now we are selecting quantity, we have order quantity, we are selecting sales, we have sales. Here the same, if I'm gonna drag and drop here my parameters. Instead of switch filters, I'm gonna have here the parameters, the same here, and by filter by year, we want to have here 2 tag, and whenever you switch those, they are switching too. Hope that this video was helpful for you, and if you have any question, if you have any doubt about what I've showed before, just feel free to write me a comment or get in contact through LinkedIn. I'm more than happy to share with you all my experience and my knowledge. And cheers. Have a nice week.